Hi everyone, you're watching Shortcut to Shortcut. Alright, let's say you're editing a very long video and you have added all of these edits, all of these splits across the entire video. Now, what you actually wanted to do was number one, add some images on top. So, let's say if I wanted different images to go in different sections of the video, or number two, you wanted to mark these sections of the video so that when you publish it to YouTube, you can actually add bookmarks in your video. But now, how do you remember that out of all of these splits, all of these edits that you have done in this video, what was the actual content that needed to go in these different sections? Don't worry, don't panic. I have a solution for you. In Shortcut, you have something called as markers. So let's say if I wanted to go to this particular section and I wanted to remember or bookmark what this section actually meant, what I can do is I can right click that and add a marker. Now this adds a nice red color marker in that particular section. But of course, the generic marker 1 is not enough because the moment I keep adding more markers, it will just create marker 1, marker 2 and so on and so forth. So a generic name is not good enough. What I'd want to do is then click on the marker and edit it so that I can change this text from marker 1 to something more useful so that I can remember what that particular section meant. If I needed to add any image to that section, I know exactly what image to add. And if I need to bookmark that in YouTube, I exactly know what that section meant and where the section starts, where the bookmark starts. I can click on OK, and that basically renamed my marker, and I can continue to do so for all the markers in this video. Now, if I just want to see all the markers that I've added in my video, I can click on markers over here, and in this video I can see all the markers that I've added to this particular video. I can even edit it right from here. I can even add a new marker, for example, right from this particular window. I can remove the marker, and so on and so forth. So that is really the markers editing screen. Now, if you don't have the markers tab over here, you can click on view and then click on markers, and then that tab, that window to edit markers should be available. Alright, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked this quick video on markers. Basically, it is like adding bookmarks to your Shortcut project. If you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up, do give it a like, and comment down below if you found this video useful. Your engagement in this video really helps. Do also share this video with your network and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Alright, that's it folks. Bye for now.